the dismissal of this case. So perhaps it would be to your interest, in addition to what the Honorable Barsar said, that you would present to us the name and even perhaps an affidavit of those persons who sold your assets and turned the cash over to you, so that to show that that money really came there.
Prosecutor Rizado, Mr. Chairman. Before you answer the next...
I really need to be safe in my actions because as much as I wanted to, andito na nga po lahat ng original ng passbook. Kaya lang baka mawalan po ako ng karapatan, yun ang aking gustong proteksyonan po.
Last follow-up.
Mr. Chairman.
Will it be a correct impression that the reason why you do not want to waive your rights regarding the secrecy of your bank deposit is that if there would a waiver, it would result to the discovery of evidence which might be adverse against you?
Not necessarily, Your Honor. Hindi naman po ganun. Kasi po, you must remember po na this is a joint account. Meron pong private na tao na hindi na makatulog, hindi makakain, umiiyak ng ilang linggo rito na huwag siyang madamay. At yun nga po ang pakiusap ko kung mag-present ako ng testigo rito, ng kapamilya ko, na huwag silang kuhanan ng video. Lalo na po pag pinasilip ito, malalabas ang mga pangalan nila at baka pati sila makuhanan ng video kapag nag-interview.
But by waiving your right to that deposit regarding its secrecy, it will really give the public a clear picture of the actual situation, and it will eliminate whatever fear, apprehension, or suspicion the public might have against you and your wife. As a matter of fact, that waiver will be an opportunity on your side to prove that indeed the amount of 800,000 pesos deposited came from valid and legitimate sources and would actually controvert the speculation, the erroneous conclusion on the part of some people that that is part of the bribe money.
Your Honor po, kapag ang waiver ay na-confirm lamang nila yung amount, wala pong implication yon kung saan nanggaling yung amount. Ang tanging implication lamang nun ay merong amount doon, pero hindi po yun makakapagbigay ng ebidensya na valid ang pinanggalingan o legal ang pinanggalingan ng account ng pera.
Well, actually, we don't want to indulge in legal debate, but the problem here is that this is a case of bribery, and insofar as bribery is concerned, as prosecutor, you know that there is no direct evidence in bribery. It is only a case of circumstantial evidence.
Your Honor, there is no case of bribery yet. I understand there is no case yet.
Yes, but it can be established by circumstantial evidence. Would you agree with me?
Yes, Your Honor, but there is no evidence yet as of now.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, to stop you.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman.
Ms. Jimmy Ho.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you. By divulging your deposit accounts during this investigation, you have already waived your right to the secrecy bank deposits. That is the rule. Once it becomes public, it means that the secrecy no longer exists because you have divulged it in front of the media.
No, Your Honor, maaga pa lang sinabi ko na po na nire-reserva ko yung aking karapatan. Maaga pa lang. At ito po, ang purpose ko po na ipakita ito lahat ay para sa members ng committee, hindi para sa buong public. Lahat po ng committee na gusto ko makikita nito para makita malinaw dahil original po ito lahat at existing pa po.
So, tama yun. Hindi naman kami mag-iimbestigan yung deposit mo eh. Mag-iimbestigan yan ang AMLA, Bangko Sentral, or PDIC. Yan lang ang tatlong agencies na pwede mag-imbestiga ng iyong accounts. Pero pwede kami magtanong. When you said that you are not waiving your right to secrecy,
An alarming revelation that there was an attempt on the part of Attorney Lazaro to bribe you, and which attempt was made as early as September 20 or September 21. My inquiry, Mr. Chairman, is this the first time that you disclose this accusation against Attorney Lazaro?
Yes, Your Honor.
And a while ago you stated that the reason why you disclosed this bribery attempt for the first time today is that you were not given the opportunity to make this allegation. Will that be correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
I have been reading the story in the Inquirer today, and it is expressly mentioned that yesterday you called a press conference. Press conference. You had a conference with the press yesterday. And in that press conference, you actually disputed the contents of this anonymous letter. You even stated that there was no bribery. Would you agree with me?
I did not state that there was
You did not state that there was no bribery in the DOJ?
a statement. I do not remember regarding...
He branded as a falsehood the allegations contained in the anonymous letter, meaning to say the allegation that there was a deposit of 800,000 pesos is a falsehood. What did you brand, or what are you referring to when you stated that there was a falsehood in the allegation contained in the anonymous letter?
Kasi po, Your Honor, sa anonymous letter, dalawa pong 800 ang lumalabas na pumasok sa same account. Kaya sabi ko, false yan, kasi ang totoo, 800 lang, at dito nga naka-reflect sa aking original copy.
But in spite of the fact you did not disclose yesterday in your conference with the media about this alleged bribery. Okay. During the course of our hearings, there was also a statement made by Attorney Lazaro. As a matter of fact, it was an emotional statement. And he stated that he called you on December 19 when they came to know about the resolution dismissing the case. At ang sabi niya, pare, bakit nagkabaliktaran? And according to him, your answer was, pare, wag na tayong mag-usap dito sa telepono, yan ay nake Chief State Prosecutor Sunyo. What can you say about that statement of Attorney Lazaro? After all, everything has been recorded.
Opo, Your Honor. During that time po, sinagot ko yun. Kung matatandaan nyo sa minutes, sinabi ko na nakakalungkot na bakit ganyan ang kanyang tono, na hindi totoo. Kasi po, totoong tumawag siya sa akin at nagsabi siya sa akin, pare, meron na kaming release order dito. Bakit? Nireverse ka ba ni Chief Sunyo? Hindi naman po. Sabi ko, ito ang findings namin. Pero kako nagdadrive ako, saka na natin pag-usapan yan, nagdadrive ako, pasensya na. Sabi naman niya, okay pare, sige, Merry Christmas na lang and I respect your decision. Kung talagang mahina, sabi niya ganun.
Well, actually, I'm also surprised with this revelation. Kasi nung nag-uusap tayo noon, you have been always saying that the evidence is insufficient. And my fellow congressman has asked you, bakit hindi mo kinausap ang PDEA na kulang ang kanilang ebidensya, present additional documents, present additional proof, and your answer was, you are bound by utmost neutrality insofar as the disposition of this case is concerned. Would you not consider your allegation that you are bound by utmost neutrality not consistent with what you have been saying right now, that you have been talking with Attorney Lazaro of PDEA regarding this case?
Hindi ko makuha yung
No, sa
tanong.
ating house investigation, lagi mo sinasabi na kayong prosecutor, when you make investigation, you are neutral. You are not siding with the PDEA, neither are you siding with the respondents. Pero lumalabas ngayon, nag-uusap kayo ni Attorney Lazaro. As a matter of fact, you even stated that there was a bribe attempt on your part. Will that not be inconsistent with your allegation that you are neutral insofar as the handling of this case is concerned?
Consistent pa rin po, neutral pa rin kami. At hindi naman masama na makikipag-usap sa PDEA or si Atty. Lazaro sapagkat sila po ang nag-endorse ng kaso sa akin.
Hindi masama na makipag-usap sa iyo, pero hindi nyo masama para sa inyo na sabihin sa PDEA, oops, kulang ang inyong ebidensya.
Sinabi ko po yun. Before the inquest, kinausap ko si Figure Junilier. Sabi ko, paano bang ginamit? Bakit nangyaring ganito? Ang sabi niya, ay, ang totoo po niya na fiscal, tunay na pera po ang ginamit namin dyan. Sige kako, bahala kayo, ilagay niyo sa statement. Kasi...
Let's go back to that inquest. Well, according to you, there was a waiver. Were you present when the waiver was executed?